I can't do nothing.
Try to keep it simple.
Social distancing. Back up. Stop taking steps closer to me. Stop taking steps closer to me before I start coughing and shit. Before I start coughing and shit. I'm not playing. I start coughing. I start coughing. You see my nose running? I'm exposed to the virus. Give me 6 feet.
Then you should go inside and get some sleep.
Nah, give me 6 feet. Give me 6 feet before I start sneezing and shit. Before I start sneezing and shit. Excuse me? Excuse me if I start sneezing and shit. Excuse me if I start sneezing and shit.